How to find texture for 3D models.
First, open Pinterest and search for texture designs you like. Then choose any texture you like, right-click on it, and save the image.
How to convert image to SVG.
Now go to the website online-convert.com to convert the image to SVG. Scroll down, go to Image Converter, and choose Convert to SVG. Click Choose File and upload your image. After uploading the image, click Start to convert it. Now click Download to save the SVG file. Repeat the same steps for the other images.
Add SVG to the model.
Import the model you want to, apply the texture to. I duplicate the model 8 times to apply different textures to each piece. Select the model, right-click on it, choose Add Part, and then select SVG. Now choose the SVG texture you want to apply. Set the depth for the texture height, adjust the size, and select Cut to apply the texture to the model. Drag the yellow square to adjust the position of the texture. I repeat the same steps for all 8 pieces with different textures.
Ready to print.
Now slice the model and send it to the printer.
Ready to print.